Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webpack Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Google Chrome language. So this is updated video and in 2022. So guys, let's start the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Chrome browser. Okay guys, so I am on my browser here. So let me show you how you can change the language. So you can see current my default language is English. So in order to change language, just click on the three dot option and go to the settings. In settings, okay, so this is your first interface of your Google Chrome setting. Now go to the advanced option where you can find the tiny arrow here, down arrow, just click on it, and under the advanced you will see the lots of options. So you have to find the language here, just click on first option, language, and this is a language. Okay, so just click on this tiny arrow, and from here you can see I have three language here. One English, three is English, but it is English United States, English, and English Australia. Okay, so you can display your Google Chrome with out of this language. Just click on three dot option and click on display Google Chrome in this language. Okay, so if you don't find language here, your desired language, so you can add another language. Just click on add another language, and you can find here lots of all language out of word. You can search here, like search any language here. I just search Hindi and just add it, so it will be add here. Now if you want to display your Google Chrome with this language, just click on it and just click on display language. Okay, display Chrome language in this language, so it will be. So after you select this display language, you have to relaunch your Chrome browser, then your language will be changed. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.